This is the master bedroom bathroom here. It needs paint here, we think. And it needs a new fixture, electrical fixture. And obviously the whole thing needs to be painted. This we think we can clean up. This is the enclosure, it's not too bad. Yeah, there's companies that refinish these for a couple $100. This is a closet here. They took out the rods to hang the clothes, so probably have to put that up. And then this is, and then there's no door here for the closet. And then this is the the bathroom, the toilet. This one just needs paint, maybe. I don't know if we want to put new toilets. This one looks okay. This is the bedroom here. Needs carpet, and also needs the fixture, and the ceiling needs to be painted. This has got some spots. And it has forced air heating, I think, and air. This is the closet. The doors are there, but they may not be good, or maybe good. I don't know. The axis needs to be fixed. Not a big deal. Okay, the hallway floor probably just needs to be cleaned up. The linen closet needs a door, and maybe the shelves painted. This is the other bathroom in the hallway. Needs cabinets needs to be sanded and cleaned up. Medicine cabinet needs to be replaced. Yeah. I don't know if we want to get a new toilet, but it needs paint. This needs to be cleaned up too. Okay. Okay. Then bedroom number 1 or number 2 after the master needs carpet, needs a fixture up there. And closet doors, this only has one. This is a small bedroom. We're thinking of a glass closet door so it looks bigger. Bedroom number 3. Carpet's been removed. Needs a fixture. And it needs closet doors. Okay. And then stairs. The stairs need carpet. And we're gonna remove this railing here because there's already one there. They added that one. This is the living room from the top here. There's that light fixture, and then there's the floor looks okay. It needs to be painted here. Okay. It needs to be painted. We're gonna take it downstairs.
There's the ceiling in the laundry room.
Okay. These are the stairs. This is linen closet, coat closet, I should say. Entrance looks okay. Tile looks good. Front door looks good. It needs to be painted. Security door looks good. Entrance. 2 windows there, nice. This little window here to the dining room. Definitely needs painted. Here's the half bath. This looks okay. Maybe just cleaned up. The medicine cabinet's gone, and the light fixture needs to be replaced. I think that was a towel hanger. Toilet. Here's the kitchen. The kitchen floor looks good. Tiles look pretty good. Here's for the stove and the fan. The cabinets look good. They just need to be cleaned up, I think, and painted. Refinished. I don't know if we need to get a new... Yeah, we need a new dishwasher, or maybe just clean this one up. I think this could be nice. With an A tag. So it works. So let's just clean the sucker up. Okay. And then here for the fridge. Same thing. Cabinets look pretty good. Okay. And the laundry room. Yeah. This is all mold, probably from the moisture of doing laundry. Just painting. I don't know what they were doing here, but that needs to be patched. Closet door, the access door to the garage needs a knob. There's a kitty door. Closet looks good. I'm sorry, garage looks good. And water heater's been brazed. Okay. Then you got family room. The floor is uneven in some areas and it's lifting in others. I'm not sure what we're gonna do here with this floor, but there's something missing here. I'm not sure what that is. Okay. And there's a fixture here. It's missing. This is by the kitchen. This is the dining area here. By the kitchen. Ceiling all needs to be painted. It's a nice floor plan actually. This door is really heavy. It needs to be fixed. Maybe needs to get oiled up or something. The slider. It's hard to slide. And this is the side of the house. There's some water stains on the bottom there. And then there's a big old something up on the roof. Alan says it's probably an AC. Fence looks good. A couple palm trees. This is a pool. The pool needs acid wash. And this is the pool here. I'm gonna drop the phone. Let me see if I can do this. I'll take a video of the pool. All the way down there. Oh, I see. So this is the deep end. There's a step there. And it's got that nice blue tile. Anyway, it's got a nice cover already. And I don't know what this is here. The valves for the pool. They're right here by that. And this is the back street. It's a main road. There's no neighbors to the back, but you have the car noise. That's what the house looks like in the back. From the back. Small yard, tall pool. But like Fernando says, it's in Bakersfield, so a pool in Bakersfield is good. And the other thing, I guess, see if I can get to the back, to the front from here. Windows look good. Screens probably need to be replaced because of the, oh yeah, this one needs to be painted too. Oh, it's locked. Okay. Makes sense. Let me go see the front of the house. Leave it all in one video, that's why I don't want to pause it. Okay, here's the entrance. Kind of grassy area right here. Here we are parked. This is the neighborhood. Look, really nice neighborhood actually. And this is the house. Has parking in the front, and then it's got that little grassy area. Makes it look nice. Here's the other part of the street here. Homes are kept up really nice. I wonder if there's an association. That's interesting. And oh, the solar panels, right? That's what the the line was for the solar panels. How you doing?